Good morning, this is Will. Today's Sunday morning. Gotta get some work done here. Change the engine mount on my wife's car. It's gonna be a busy Sunday today. I'm gonna share the experience with you guys. Hopefully if you need to tackle some work like this, you kind of find out what to do. But anyway, this is my Sunday vlog. Gotta remove a bunch of things here. The transmission now. Gotta get this right down here. Wow, this is how bad this is. So, this is the old one. great. Everything is buttoned up. In fact, I've already taken it for a test drive. Yes, no more vibrations. So, and I changed the dog bone that was on. It's like down there. Changed that. You see that aluminum piece sticking there? I changed that. I didn't film it. So I think it was necessary anyway. But the transmission mount is changed. I do have the motor mount to change, but the one that they sent me is missing the bracket that attaches to the chassis. It's a different design. I think they sent it to me thinking that I had the same design that I could have easily unbolt that part and bolt it to the new one, but this is a completely different design. This is the very first version of the motor mount that Ford had designed, but they had since changed it. So I can replace it, but I need that piece, that part there.
1 month later.
Today I am going to be changing one of the motor mount that I couldn't change last time because they sent me, well, the right part but with a missing section of it. So I had to order it from a different company. Got it. This is this part here. This motor mount here. What I got when I got it, I received this part, but this section here was missing. I called them, and they said unfortunately they don't have this section, they just have that part. So I had to go search around, and I found a company that has both of it, so I ordered it. It's been here since last week, but last week was a busy week, so I couldn't find the time to actually work on it. So, but this is where this is. Right now, this is where that part is. It's this one right here. It looks different than the one that I have. You can see it. I'm gonna be removing this in a sec. This is the overflow, the reservoir. So for me to take it out, some people said you can kind of squeeze it between these things here, but I don't want to mess with this. I'm just gonna pull this up, move it aside once I unbolt it. My floor jack down here. It's underneath the car, supporting the engine, because once I unbolt the mount, the engine will need some support so it doesn't fall down. So this is where we are. Wifey will be pleased that I changed this. Yeah, it should be good. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'll see you on the next project.